You're such a person who always closes the door. Oh, it took you ages to open yourself up to me. But I do believe that you're dreaming of love in the world. If only I could take away some of your pain. But since this fall, you found the sun again. And honestly, it could break my heart, but I can see that they're the one. You're such a person to always stand on your feet, not one to love with all of the things that you've seen. I used to think that it could be us in the end, but with where you're at, we could not think about picket fences. But since this fall, you found the sun again.